Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a bomb thrower. I am also going to animate and model a bomb thrower in Blender. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our bomb thrower model, textured and animated in Blender. So this is our final video. I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. So this is my render video. I hope you guys like this. Bye.